If you want to hide your Facebook friend list and keep your connections private, this video will walk you through it step by step. It's a quick privacy setting, but it makes a big difference if you don't want everyone on Facebook seeing who you're connected with. Whether you're using Facebook for personal reasons, professional networking, or just want more control over your account, this is one of the easiest privacy settings to adjust. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to your profile. In the top right corner, click your profile picture or account icon to open the main menu. From there, look for Settings and Privacy and click it. A sub-menu will appear, so choose Settings next. Once you're in the Settings page, look through the menu and click Privacy. This is where Facebook keeps the options related to who can see your personal information, posts, and profile details. Now scroll until you find the setting that says Who can see your friends list. When you see that option, click Edit. Facebook will show you the available visibility settings. This is the important part, because this controls whether other people can view your friend list or not. To hide it completely, select Only Me. As soon as you choose Only Me, your friend list will no longer be visible to other people on Facebook. That means only you will be able to see it when you check your own profile settings. This is the most private option, and it's the best choice if you want to keep your social connections hidden. If you want to double check that the change was saved, go back to your profile and view the privacy setting again. In most cases, Facebook updates it right away, so you should be all set. It's always a good idea to review your privacy settings from time to time, especially after Facebook updates its layout or adds new options. While you're here, you may also want to review other privacy settings, like who can see your posts, who can send you friend requests, and whether your profile shows up in search engines. Taking a few extra minutes to adjust these settings can help you stay more in control of your account. And that's it. You've now hidden your Facebook friend list in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.